Because of our five scientists' use of microscopes in the last section, we are going to look at microscopes and a little bit on how they work. And well, we've already used them in class, so you kind of already know how to use them. But anyways, here's your properties of microscopes. Microscopes are going to give you the ability to enlarge images. So they have two real properties. One is magnification, the other is resolution. Magnification is the ability to make things look bigger. The light microscopes that we use in class are going to do this by bending light through special lenses. They use lenses that are called convex lenses. You can see this is the shape of our lens right here. It looks kind of like a football where it's thin on the sides and it bulges out in the middle. What this does is, while light passes through this lens, light is going to be bent by the glass and it's going to bend towards a focal point. And we're going to try to take that image that we pass light through, bend it towards a focal point, and in doing so we'll enlarge it out here. There are two types of lenses that you normally hear about, concave and convex. Convex, again, are the ones in our microscope. Concave are ones that kind of are the opposite of it, and they kind of bulge on the sides and are thin in the middle. And just for a reference. Our compound light microscope, or the ones we have in class, work very, very similar to every other light microscope out there. We are going to have a series of two lenses. You have an objective lens, which is on a little dial that you spin around and you can change. And then you have an ocular lens, which is, in our case, is part of the viewer down here. So how it works is we have a light source over here, and that's a little light bulb. It's going to shine through a condenser plate, which is basically going to direct the light in the direction we want. We have our slide in place, and the light shines through the slide. It goes through the objective lens, where it will be magnified, depending on how much, whichever objective you have on there. Then it will be further magnified going through the ocular lens, which is a ×10 magnification just through the lens, and then into your eye. So you'll eventually see your specimen be blown up really big, and that is magnification. Our next property is resolution. Resolution is clarity of image. This is pretty much the same kind of resolution on your computer. Electron microscopes use well, that's a different type of microscope. Electron microscopes are going to use a beam of electrons instead of light to produce the magnified image. It's basically going to be a more powerful magnification and even a better resolution. Unfortunately, they're also going to be a lot more expensive. So hopefully that gives you a little quick introduction to microscopes, even though we've used them in class before.